Well, hello. No, you want your fortune told. Skultar's gone fishing. Maybe I can help you. Come. Come to the fortune-telling booth sponsored by MonsterBuckles.com. Hey, come on. Get with the times. Everybody's got an angle. 1 second. Let me look into your future. I see something terrible. It's horrible. Your pants fall down. You're humiliated in front of everybody. But wait, MonsterBuckles.com can help. With limited edition, handcrafted belt buckles. The quality is exquisite. With buckles like these, you'll be entering a high society. A society of grave robbers. Family? You want to know about family? Well, I see beautiful, perfect twins. Siamese bats! Oh my, look at that! A house, you ask? Here is a giant home. It's a spook house! Let's see. A car? Sleek, long, black, with luxe interior. It's a hearse! A hot rod hearse! Wait. Lastly, I see love. Yes, I see true love. Wait, there's more. There's Lovecraft. It's H.P. Lovecraft. It's Cthulhu! Wait! Retreat! Run to MonsterBuckles.com! Want something to scare your dad and your mom? Find something to wear! MonsterBuckles.com!